Assalamu alaikum class 10. Hope you all will be fine. I have done unit number 1 from your literature book and now I am going to start your grammar. Today date is 26 2020. It's my 5th lecture and day is Saturday. I want you to separate the portion of grammar and literature on your notebook. Whatever I am explaining and I am sending you some pages related to my lecture, you have to note down on your neat registers. Make the notes on your neat register related to literature and related to grammar. Whatever I am sending you today, you have to learn it by heart and also do it on your neat register or notebook, whatever you have. Let's start my lecture. See, direct and indirect. We can report the words of speech into two ways, direct speech, indirect speech. So whatever we are saying, जो भी हम बात करते हैं, it is directly said by the speaker or it is indirectly said by the speaker. जो भी बात होगी वो या तो डायरेक्ट बात की जाएगी या फिर इनडायरेक्ट बात की जाएगी. If we say something such as I am talking, whatever I am talking, it is direct word of myself, so it is direct speech. जो भी मैं बात कर रही हूँ ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. If you change my word in your own word, it will be indirect speech. अगर जो बात भी मैंने की है उसको आप अपने वर्ड्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं तो वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच होगी. सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. द फाइनल वेज ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग द स्पीकर्स वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. वट एवर द स्पीकर से, जो भी बात स्पीकर ने कही है, इट विल बी डायरेक्ट स्पीच. वाइल डूइंग this we have reported the exact word of the speaker and put them in inverted commas. See inverted commas. Whatever the speaker will say directly, it will be in inverted commas. For example, she says to her brother, I am doing my home task now. So see inverted commas begin and close. अगर मैं इसको उर्दू में कन्वर्ट करूँ, उसने अपने भाई से कहा मैं अभी अपना घर का काम कर रही हूँ. सो शी इज़ हेयर स्पीकर. शी सेज टू हर ब्रदर आई एम डूइंग माई होम टास्क नाउ. इट इज़ डायरेक्टली सेड and it is in inverted commas. See indirect speech. The indirect speech, we change the words of speaker in our own words. So whatever the speaker say, if we change her statement which is given in inverted commas in our own word, it is called indirect speech. See, she says to her brother, we omit inverted commas ख़त्म करेंगे और we will write that here to join these two sentences. She says to her brother that I change with she because she is the speaker, that she is doing her home task, then my change into her and it will be changed in our word. इसको हमने अपने अल्फाज में चेंज करना है. See here example, she says to her brother, I am changing the same sentence here. She says to her brother that she is doing her home task then. कि उसने अपने भाई से कहा कि वो अपना घर का काम कर रही है. यहाँ पर मैं था, मैं अभी अपना घर का काम कर रही हूँ और यहाँ वो अपना घर का काम कर रही है. दैट इज़ द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Parts of speech. See how we will explain parts of speech. There are two types of parts of speech, reported speech and reporting speech. The statement in reported inverted commas is called reported speech. Inverted commas के अंदर जो भी स्टेटमेंट होगी स्पीकर की, यानी इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में जो भी बात की गई होगी उसे हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहते हैं. जिस तरह ये है, यू हैव डन वेल टुनाइट, ये इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में है, इसको हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बोलेंगे. रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. द स्टेटमेंट बिफोर इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स इज कॉल्ड रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. वट एवर द स्टेटमेंट बिफोर इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स से पहले जो भी स्टेटमेंट होगी, ही सेज टू मी, यू सेज, it will be inverted, it will be in without inverted commas, it is reporting speech. इसको हम reporting speech बोलेंगे. So there are two parts of speech: reporting speech and reported speech. Without inverted commas it will be reporting speech, and within inverted commas it will be reported speech. Kinds of sentences: we have 5 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. Today we will do just assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are simple sentences. Interrogative sentence, it is question. Imperative sentence, we give order or we do any request. Exclamatory sentences show some feelings. Optative sentences is the sentences in which we pray something. We pray or we curse, such as may you live long. These are optative sentences. So you have done all of these kind of sentences and you know the definition of all of these 5 sentences. Just we will do assertive sentence or simple sentences today, and we will do the rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. See, assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are simple sentences rules. There are 3 rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. First is change of pronoun. When we change pronoun, see, rules. If reporting speech is in present or in future tense, the tense of reported speech will not change. Reporting speech means without inverted comma. If we have present or future tense in reporting speech, the tense of reported speech will not change. Yani the tense of the statement or the speaker is not changed. Only pronoun will change. Just pronoun हम change करेंगे. Pronoun means the word we use instead of noun is called pronoun. Change of pronoun. What is the rule? We say rule of SON, S-O-N. S stands for subject, O stands for object, N means no change. See, reporting speech and reported speech. This means first person, second person, and third person. We know there are 3 persons and pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. To explain this rule, I want to show you some of my notes, how we will change it. It will help you to understand. See, change of pronoun. Reporting speech and reported speech. First person of reported speech will change the subject of reporting speech. Second person of reported speech will change with the object of reporting speech, and third person will not change. It means reported speech means within inverted commas. Within inverted commas, if we have first person I and we, it will change with the subject of reporting speech. Subject के साथ. Subject means the जो काम करने वाला होगा, ठीक है. And object means on which we do action. Subject perform some action, object on which we do some action. Second person you of reported speech will change with the object of reporting speech, and third person will not change. Third person he, she, it will never change in indirect speech and direct speech. See, first person, second person, and third person. I am just telling you how we will change it. I have written singular and plural of first person, singular plural of second person, singular plural of third person. We have 3 cases: subjective case, objective case, and possessive case in personal pronoun. In subjective case we have I, we, second person you and you, third person he, she, it, and they. Objective case me, us, second person you, third person him, her, its, them. Possessive case my, our, your, his, hers, its, and theirs. Now if we write these pronouns instead of subject, we make subject by using these pronouns is called subjective case. We make object by using these pronouns is objective case, and this is the pronoun. These are the pronouns we use instead of to show some ownership or some possession, such as it is my pen. अगर मैं अपनी मलकियत शो करती हूँ तो ये पोजेशन होगी. जिस तरह माय हो गया, इट इज़ माई पेंसिल, इट्स आवर क्लासरूम. सो इफ़ वी शो some possession, it will be possessive case. Now how we change reporting speech first person with the subject. Suppose We have to change first person, second person, third person. Pronoun will never change. We don't change it. But if we have he as a subject, रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में अगर ही सब्जेक्ट है और आई जो है वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में है, तो हमने देखना है आई को हमने ही से चेंज करना है। अगर ही सब्जेक्ट है, आई को हम ही से चेंज करेंगे, इट बिकम ही। अगर आई को हम शी से चेंज करेंगे, इट बिकम शी। आई को अगर हम इट से चेंज करेंगे, इट बिकम इट। एंड इफ़ वी हैव वी प्लूरल, वी चेंज विद दे, इट बिकम दे। वी हैव टू सी the cases also. If we have first person in subject, if we have I said to my mother, and inverted commas started, so I is a subject here, and we have to change I with him, so I become him. We have to change it with possessive case, so it become possessive case, he him बनेगा। Okay, if I is here, so we have to change it with the cases. If it is in subject, we will make subject. If the pronoun is stand as object, we will make it object, and if it is possessive case, we will make it possessive case. I change with objective case. With possessive case, it will be according to the rule. जैसे अगर यहाँ मी है, he said to me, मी को अगर हम यू से चेंज करेंगे, और यहाँ अगर योर है तो मी को हम योर से ही चेंज करेंगे। पोजेसिव केस के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम उसको चेंज करेंगे। आई विल शो यू द एक्टिविटी, इट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। लेट मी डू इट। I hope you will understand. See that exercise number 1, how we change pronoun. I told you if we have present tense, in reporting speech, the tense of reported speech will not change, just pronoun will change. In this activity we will just change pronoun. हमने just pronouns को change करना है, हमने टेंस को चेंज नहीं करना। She says I read the Holy Quran. Inverted commas begin and close. When we join these two sentences, we write conjunction that. हम that लिख के इन दोनों sentences को join करेंगे। She says that I change with she, it becomes she. She reads. Present definite tense है, she के साथ हम एस या एस ऐड करते हैं। She reads Holy Quran and full stop. Just we omit the inverted commas, we write conjunction that. The sentence of reporting speech will not change. It will never change. We just change the pronoun in this activity because we are using present tense in reporting speech. अगर यहाँ past tense होता है फिर हम tense यहाँ change करेंगे। अगर यहाँ present है tense change नहीं होगा, we will just change pronoun. See, they say we love Pakistan. We change with they, it become they. They say that, we omit inverted comma, that they love Pakistan. He will say. Now future, if we have future indefinite tense, we will not change the tense. He will say I do not mix with bad boys. I change with he. He will say that he does not mix with bad boys. He says I respect my teacher. My is possessive case, is possession. I change with the subject of reporting speech. See how we will change it. I change with you, and same. My also change with you. He says that I become you. You respect. My change with you, your teacher. If possessive case is given and here is subjective case, subjective case को हमने possessive case के साथ change करना है, तो ये यहाँ पर possessive case ही आएगा। हमने इस सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं देखना है कि ये सब्जेक्टिव केस है, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है या पोजेसिव केस है। अगर यहाँ पोजेसिव केस है तो हमने यू का पोजेसिव केस योर लगाना है। आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। whatever I am telling you, that I is first person, my is again first person, but it's possessive case, it's subjective case. If it is subject, we make subject. If we have possessive case, we write possessive case. He says that you respect your teacher. I respect my teacher, you respect your teacher. Faisal says I shall go to Karachi. So I change with Faisal, it become he. Karachi by the Khyber mail. Faisal says that he will go to Karachi by Khyber mail. You say I speak the truth. I change with you, it become you. You say that you speak the truth. He will say I have sent him a telegram. He will say that he has. I change with he. सब्जेक्ट को हमने फर्स्ट पर्सन को हमने सब्जेक्ट के साथ चेंज किया. ही हैव चेंज इनटू हैज़ सेंड हिम अ टेलीग्राम. आई होप you understand it fully how we change pronoun. I have told you the first rule how we change pronoun in direct and indirect. I am not telling you the other two rules. There are two other rules that we will change the tense and we also change certain words. I have given you just 7 sentences. You have to learn the chart of personal pronouns such as first person, second person, third person, 3 cases, subjective case, objective case and possessive case, and how we change the pronoun. If we have present tense or future tense, we will just change pronoun, we will not change tense. टेंस हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट यू टू रिवाइज ऑल ऑफ योर टेंसेज सो दैट in next activity, in next exercise, you will be able to know how we change tenses if we have past tense and reporting speech. That's it. Allah Hafiz.